Welcome students. Today we have the NCHM 2021 paper and we're going to look through all the sums in the question paper and try to solve them. So this is the set A and I've selected the first few questions. Since the question papers are not available officially, these are questions from memory and I have not included the options unless it's extremely required. We'll just do the sum as they present themselves. Right, so let us start with the first one. It says which of the following is divisible by 13. So this one you don't need to check. You'll just know that 13 times 7 is 91, right? So option A is correct. Next one is simplify this. Now this one you can just brute force and add it, but you can also do it in a kind of beautiful way. You just have to take 7 common and you are going to be left with 4 ones plus 3 ones plus 2 ones plus 1. If you add the following up, you're going to get 7 times 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is going to be 7 for the 28, carry 2, 23, carry 2, 16, carry 1, 8, 6, 3, 8. So that will be your answer. Again, it's a brute force problem. Find the average of the following test scores. Small numbers, just add them up and divide by 4. So it will be 105 plus 235 plus 326 plus 422. I'm going to divide this thing by 4. So when you add them up, you're going to get, I've already done this. So you'll get 1088. Divide by 4, you're going to get 272. That is your answer. All right, then the next one, Ramesh brought 15 magazines for rupees 30 each from one shop. Okay, and 25 magazines from rupees 38 from another shop. Why? He bought 40 magazines. He loves reading magazines. Okay, so we have no idea what kind of magazines they were. Okay. So let's calculate his total expenditure. So that will be 15 times 30 plus 25 times 38. And he bought 40 magazines, right? So you have to divide it by 40. So that will be his average price paid. So the numerator, if you calculate, it turns out to be 1400. And the denominator is 40. Cancel the 0. Divide 140 by 4. You are going to end up with 35. So on an average, he paid 35 rupees for a magazine. He really likes the magazines. Find a number such that when 7 is subtracted from 3 times the number. Okay, that means 3x minus 7. The result is 9 more than twice of it. Okay, so that means 2x plus 9. It's a simple equation. If you solve it, you're going to get x equal to 16. That is your answer. Next one, sum of squares of 2 positive integers is 130. So that means since it is given positive, so you have to exclude the negative roots. Okay, and the difference of the squares is 32. All right, so it's given a square plus b square equal to 130 and a square minus b square equal to 32. Right, add them. B square will cancel out. You're going to get 2a square equal to 162, which means a square equal to 81, which means a square equal to 9. Sorry, a equal to 9. Now, you know that a square 81 means a is 9 or minus 9. But they have already said positive integer, so a is 9. If a is 9, what will be b? So 81 square, 81 minus b square is 32. If we put it in the difference equation, so that means b square is 49, which gives us b equal to 7. So a is 9, b is 7. Their sum is 16. That is the answer. Next one, evaluate 80% of 480 and 25% of 640. So you know 80% is basically 8/10 and 25% is 1/4. Use this, it will be easier. So 8/10 times 480 plus 1/4 times 640. Right? 8/10 of 140, the 0 cancels out. You have 8 times 8 is 64, carry 6, 8 for 32, 384. And 1/4 of 640 is 160. So when you add these, you get 544. Answer. Okay, let's do that side first. So the present population of a village is 6,200. So that means male plus female. So let males be X and females be Y. So X plus Y equal to 6,200. Now, if the number of males increase by 12%, so we have 1.12x now, 12% increase. So X plus 0.12x, right? And the females is increased by 16%. So 1.16y, that is 7072. Now, equation 1, equation 2. Okay, these numbers look a bit tricky, right? So you subtract equation 1 from equation 2, you are going to be left with 0.12x plus 0.16y equal to 7072 minus 6200, that give you 872, right? So this we get by subtracting 2 minus 1. Now divided by 4, you're going to get 0.03x plus 0.04y equal to 218. Right, now multiply throughout by 100, you're going to get 3x plus 4y equal to 21,800. This is equation 3, which is the same as equation 2 minus 1. We just simplified it a bit. Now we have to find the number of females, so y. So we subtract 3 times equation 1. 3 times equation 1 would be 3x plus 3y equal to 18600. It's just 1 times 3. Now you subtract these. So these two cancel out. You're left with y equal to 3,200. So the number of females is 3,200. That is the answer. All right. Sarla invests rupees 97,200, which is 18% of her annual income. Wow, she earns a lot. Okay. What is her monthly income? This word is important, monthly income. So 18% of her income, right? So 18% of income is 97,200. So what is her income? It's 97,200 into 100 by 18. This will surely divide. So 18 5s are 90 and 72. That is 5,400. So her income is 5,400 into 100. Now her monthly income would be income per month. That would be 5,400 times 100 divided by 12. They divided 12 fours of 48, 6, 450. So our monthly income is 45,000. She earns a lot. Wait, this looks like an 8. $45,000 is the answer. All right, let's check what Aman wants to do. Aman buys an article for 20% less than its value. Assume it's the market value, and sells it for 20% more than its market value. Wow, such a nice trader. His gain or loss percentage. Okay, so consider market value to be 100. Then CP for Aman 20% less, so 80. SP for a month. 20% more, so 120. Now buys for less, sells for more. So profit. So profit would be 120 minus 80, 40, right? Profit percent. It's profit by CP into 100%, right? So 40 by 80 into 100%, that is 50%. So he gains a total of 50%. Very nice, trader. All right, last sum from this collection. 100 bananas are brought at a rate of rupees 400, not 400 per banana. It's not a gold banana. And sold at the rate of rupees 60 per dozen. That seems more accurate. So CP per banana is, we have to find the percentage profit and loss. Is 400 by 100, right? So that is 4. And SP per banana is 60 per dozen, right? So 60 by 12, 5. So remember the formula that we used here, profit and profit percent. Use that same formula. You're gonna get profit percent as profit is sell price minus cost price, and divided by cost price is 4 into 100%. So that's 1 by 4 times 100%, which is 25%. This is your profit percent. Now, the question was asking you for the percentage of profit or loss. So whatever the percentage of profit and loss per banana is, that will be the total profit and loss as well, because all of them have the same CP and the same SP, right? This question was a bit confusing because 100 bananas are bought and he sold them at 60 per dozen. So dozen means 12, right? So he cannot complete the dozen since 12 times 8 is 96. So he will sell 8 dozen and then 4 will be left. So if you try it that way, you're gonna run into fractions. It will still be doable, but it will be a bit complicated. It's better to do it per banana. Okay, so the first few problems are done. We will move on to the next section of problems now. See you then.